As spraying season comes to an end, it is important to protect your sprayer from the harsh temperatures of the winter season. In this video, you will learn how to winterize your sprayer. But before you winterize your sprayer, you'll need the following items: RV antifreeze, 2 buckets or containers, and a pair of gloves to prevent any chemicals getting on your hands. Step 1. It is important to flush out your sprayer of any chemical residue with clean water and let dry. After the sprayer has dried, set aside your RV antifreeze along with your buckets or containers. Remove the tank lid from your sprayer and set aside. Next, grab your RV antifreeze and proceed to dump into your sprayer tank. After you dump the RV antifreeze, take your spray gun and point it to the inside of the sprayer tank. Pull the trigger and continue to hold until you see the antifreeze come out of your spray gun. Once your spray gun has been winterized, remove the nozzles and nozzle strainers from your broadcast spray boom. Now grab your buckets and hang one on each side of the broadcast spray boom so they hang just below the nozzle openings. Next, turn on your sprayer, adjust the shutoff valve to allow flow to reach the broadcast spray boom. Once you see the antifreeze come out, your boom is fully winterized. After your spray gun and broadcast spray boom have been winterized, you can then condense the antifreeze liquid into a single bucket. Finally, dump the remaining antifreeze from the tank sprayer. Please dispose of the RV antifreeze as directed by the manufacturer of the fluid. Additional tips we would like to share in regards to winterizing your sprayer. Tip 1. Store removable parts on your sprayer such as the nozzles and strainers in a clean and dry place. Tip 2. Store your sprayer indoors or under a tarp to prevent any damage by the winter elements or unwanted pests. Now your sprayer is ready for winter. For additional videos, check out our YouTube page. For more general information, visit us at master-mfg.com or contact our sprayer division at the number on the screen.